So back in the last video, I tried starting it and it was running too rich. I can only run it with the choke on. And I ordered the wrong one. I ordered type B instead of type A on Amazon. It went from, the lowest I had was 36 and it went all the way to 46 and it jumped by 2. It didn't go by 1. But this new one I ordered, it goes from 32 all the way up to 38, I think, and it goes by 1, so it's a lot more. I think there's 8 in the new one I bought. So yeah, and the 36 was just like, my motor could not run right. It's getting way too much fuel. I mean, I wanted to run it like a little rich, but that was just way too rich. So I saw on YouTube that I don't have to put a breather for this, or like it's recommended, but I could literally just pull this off and just run it without a filter. I mean, I'm just hoping it doesn't like, nothing gets sucked in or whatever. Let's just a breather. I need pliers. Okay, perfect. Earlier in the first video, I tried to drain it with the cup, and then the acid, like from the gas, it freaking melted the cup. And I tried to put plastic over it, and it just melted the plastic. So don't use those. I was stupid. Don't use those. Use something metal or something that could withstand gas. I went ahead and grabbed a Mountain Dew can from the recycling, and I just used a can opener and just opened it. It should hold gas. I don't think it should melt because it's metal. Okay, I just completely wasted my time. There was no gas in the freaking. Got the jet right here. I'm using a 32, so hopefully it will run way better. Yeah, and yesterday it was like, no, not yesterday. The other day when I turned it on, it like freaking, it was like popping, or like it wasn't shooting flames, but it was just loud, and it was bad. And I don't know if this is bad because it's literally just a complete straight pipe, but just this thing, just sound deafening. It's literally just a straight hole in there. Why am I fingering? No, like it's just a straight hole in there. I don't know if that's bad or not. I'm still learning, so if I'm doing anything wrong, just type it in the comments. Now I gotta remove this jet. I'm deciding to put, no, I changed my mind. I'm gonna put a 33 in it because it's better to run a little rich than run too lean, I think. So I'm not gonna do a 32. Oh my god. Please just go in, bro. Oh my god. I'm actually gonna... Oh, just friggin' thread it. Holy crap. I'm gonna crash out. Gosh, fine. God damn. Snug tight. Another bad thing is my throttle doesn't even go all the way. Or this is how far it goes. And it's not even full throttle. So if I press it with my foot, it only goes this much. Look how much more travel it has. It's not like, it's not good. It's probably only like, yeah, I'm probably only pushing it like 80% or like 75%. Okay, start it. Frick, I'm scared. If I ask kickback, just proof. Frick, I'm scared to start it. Yeah, it's on. Am I tweaking out? I don't think I am. Oh, okay. The freak is leaking fuel. Oh my god. Why is it leaking fuel? This tying thing's so freaking tight. Come on, bro. See, maybe too much. Am I tweaking out? That's like... Hold up. Oh, there it is. Maybe it's not getting enough fuel. Oh my god. Okay, I'll just record when I start it. Or when it starts up. You know what's wrong with it? It ain't got no gas in it, bro. I'm tweaking. I gotta filter up. Start it now. I'm kind of scared. I'm gonna get this really bad kickback on video. Watch. There it is. Oh. Dang, maybe I'm not enough fuel. This is running too lean or not. Oh my god. It sounds way better than yesterday though. Dude, look at this, bro. Got it up and running. Or it sounds better than yesterday though, but damn, bro. Listen. I don't know if I stripped it or not because fuel keeps leaking out. I can't see if I stripped it. I don't know because it just kept turning and turning. Or it wasn't doing that. I was too scared to keep turning it, so it was just leaking fuel. Oh, does it have a freaking gasket? Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Yeah, I got the gasket back on. Technically, it wasn't even bad. So, well, I gotta flip it around first. I got it turned. Let's turn it on. Please don't have a kick at. Please don't kick. What the frick am I frick? That's freaking scary. Oh my god. Dude, what am I doing? The freaking choke was not on run. I'm actually stupid. Oh my gosh. Okay, time to turn it back on. Dude, but it's so loud though. I feel like my neighbors would not like this at all. Damn. Finally got this thing up. Freaking. Of course, wheels are two different colors. Thinking about getting slicks. I mean, I know it doesn't have enough power to have slicks, but just want it for the looks. Look how thin this tire is, bro. It's so thin. It's as big as a freaking front tire. I mean, these things will probably be mud monsters, but I don't know. Oh my god! My phone had no more space, so it just cut out and it just stopped recording. But the stage 1 kit is okay. It's only like a 3 horsepower gain, but that's a lot for newbies like me. Amazon, it was all the parts I got is just on Amazon. It was like $50 for everything. And I didn't test the top speed yet. I will, but there's so many cars, and there's just like not a long enough straightaway.